This syllabus and orientation thing is actually just using my earlier method. For example, let's say I'll directly make a new outline here. I'm going to start a new one. And because of that, I'll need to hide Alex.
Hello. How can I help you with your business and management questions today?
Wujaha suggests a 10-session course on the topic of
AING.
assisted EMI, fast management. This is the simplest. You usually write it like this, right? But if we use CRF, it just means telling them to say, make sure to say, I am a business. Professor. I will teach one of the professors in design.
Courses.
So write the conditions as clearly as possible. That's the first thing for CRF. The CR should be the clearest. Then it should respond more accurately. And since it's a large language model, you don't need to care about stuff like thank you or please. Actually, you can skip those. It usually just requires a few important keywords.
Certainly, designing a course on AI-assisted learning in English as a medium of instruction. Managing classes for professors is a relevant and intriguing task.
Of course, we are experts, we are specialists, so we need to check if it's possible. And we also have one. And we can still ask students, like at the end, we can say, please test me on some of the concepts that will come with. This course. Then he will help you come up with test questions.
Certainly, let's start with a few questions related to the concepts.
All right, so he can help you get a good review. So this one is, don't forget to say that CRF means you need to refine it with repeated feedback. Following this, there are also things like some forms that I attached for the students to fill out. And at the end of this semester, they should conduct a peer review. Because if it's a small group discussion, there will be a form for them to fill out peer reviews. And then I have just provided a few prompts that everyone can try out. You can then suggest a question to him. You can suggest a few questions that can be used for exams. Then tell them to say, please help me with the classification. Or say you set up a large set of translations. Like tell the students to look at the second or third page. Or say to condense those. Transform some section descriptions. Then please ask QHPP to summarize and suggest concepts. Afterwards, you can also ask him to provide a few real examples. So you can use these prompts. Then, like I just said, create a session course that includes etc. And then finally, I compiled those images and videos together. And the students went and did an end-term report for our term project, which included that in the slides. Links to the video. Thank you.